In this video we will discuss MCQs from 226 to 250, and these MCQs are very important if you are preparing for competitive exams. MCQs number 226. In which year was the partition of Bengal annulled? The answer is 1911. MCQs number 227. Who announced the annulment of the partition of Bengal? The answer is King George V. MCQs number 228. When was the Rowlatt Act passed? The answer is 1919. MCQs number 229. What was the main purpose of the Rowlatt Act? The answer is to curb political activities. MCQs number 230. In which year was the Constitution of 1962 promulgated? The answer is 1962. MCQs number 231. Who introduced the Constitution of 1962? The answer is Ayub Khan. MCQs number 232. Which article of the 1973 Constitution deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister? The answer is Article 91. MCQs number 233. What is the quorum requirement in the National Assembly? The answer is 1/4 of total membership. MCQs number 234. Which Pakistani province has the largest production of cotton? The answer is Punjab. MCQs number 235. In which year was the Higher Education Commission HEC established? The answer is 2002. MCQs number 236. What is the name of largest river tributary of the Indus in Pakistan? The answer is Chenab River. MCQs number 237. Which Pakistani city is known as the city of textiles? The answer is Faisalabad. MCQs number 238. When was the first local government system introduced in Pakistan? The answer is 1959. MCQs number 239. Who introduced the 1959 Basic Democracy System? The answer is Ayub Khan. MCQs number 240. What is the name of the largest marble producing area in Pakistan? The answer is Muhammad District. MCQs number 241. In which year was Pakistan International Airlines PIA established? The answer is 1955. MCQs number 242. Which article of the Constitution deals with the judiciary independence? The answer is Article 175. MCQs number 243. What is the name of the largest oil field in Pakistan? The answer is Durnal Oil Field. MCQs number 244. In which year did Pakistan become a member of SAARC? The answer is 1985. MCQs number 245. Which Pakistani city is known as the City of Eagles? The answer is Sargodha. MCQs number 246. When was the Federal Ombudsman Office established in Pakistan? The answer is 1983. MCQs number 247. Which river forms the eastern border of Punjab province? The answer is Satluj River. MCQs number 248. What is the name of Pakistan's first private airline? The answer is Hajweri Airlines. MCQs number 249. In which year was the Press and Publications Ordinance introduced? The answer is 1960. MCQs number 250. Which constitutional amendment introduced the caretaker government setup procedure? The answer is 20th Amendment. In this video we have covered 250 MCQs which are very important and taken from the past papers. In the next video we discuss MCQs from 251 to 275. Thanks for watching.